And so you know what that looks like? And it's really interesting because the two battles that Allah Azza wa Jal exposed the hypocrites through were the ones that had the least casualties. Al-Ahzab, Khandaq, had only a handful of people that passed away from the believers. Tabuk, which Allah Azza wa Jal revealed, Surah At-Tawbah, exposing the hypocrites. Al-Fadhiha, the exposure. Tabuk didn't actually materialize in the full front battle that it was supposed to be, according to calculations. Because they went out, they marched out, and it didn't actually materialize in the battle. So the hypocrites were exposed, ironically, through the two battles that didn't lead to many casualties. But they found excuses to not be there. They made every excuse to not be there with the Prophet ﷺ. They failed the tests. Allah Azza wa Jal exposed them. Now think of the believers that were in the trench with the Prophet ﷺ, and the Prophet ﷺ rises up, covered in dirt. And if you want to know what it looks like to have the whole world shutting in your face and everything closing in on you, look at the people of Gaza and imagine the hisar, the blockade of Medina, the attempted genocide on Medina, the starvation of Medina, the fear that they could be attacked from any one of these openings. And the Prophet ﷺ rises, covered in dirt, covered in mud because he's digging harder, sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Stones tied to his stomach because he's not eating, sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And he says, Allahumma la aisha illa aishul akhirah. Oh Allah, there is no life except for the life of the hereafter. لَقَدْ كَانَ لَكُمْ فِي رَسُولِ اللَّهِ أُسْوَةٌ حَسَنَةٌ لِمَنْ كَانَ يَرْجُو اللَّهَ وَالْيَوْمَ الْآخِرِ. Pursuing Allah, pursuing the hereafter, he looks out, says, Oh Allah, there is no life except for the life of the hereafter. I'm pleased, Ya Allah. I'm pleased with what you have decreed in this regard. وَذَكَرَ اللَّهَ كَثِيرًا, and remembers Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala frequently.